Hi children, I am Valli from Mahatma Adagar social teacher. I am very happy to see you all through this video after a long time. I think now you are getting ready for your exam. Are you all ready children? So we want to revise and instruct you how to prepare for your exam and present the paper and revise you whatever we taught already in the previous months. Today I am going to revise history first 5 lessons from first volume. Before revision, I want to give you once again the question pattern. Objectives 1 to 14 questions. 15th questions to 28th question, 2 marks will be started. 2 marks will be started from 15th question to 28th question. And 28th question, 28th 2 mark is compulsory. 14 questions will be there. From that you have to write 10 questions. And 29th question is fill in the blanks. And 30th question is match the following from history. And 31st question is match the following from geography. In some question pattern, instead of this match the following, 5 more questions, 5 more questions will be there. And 32nd question, distinguish and give reason. And the question number 33 to 40 paragraphs will be started. And 41, question number 41 is timeline chart. And 42 is history map, it is also compulsory. And captions will be started from 43. But in some question papers, instead of this caption, you may get one 8-mark question, one detailed question. And 44th question is geography map. Now I am going to revise you book back objectives from all the 5 lessons. What were the 3 major empires shattered by the end of First World War? Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. Where did the Ethiopian army defeat the Italian army? Adowa. Which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? Japan. Who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? Lenin. What is the Battle of Marne remembered for? Trench warfare. Which country after the World War I took to a policy of isolation? USA. To which country did first Secretary General of League of Nations belongs? Britain. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? Russia. Fill in the blanks from first lesson. Japan posed a war on China in the year 1894. The new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of London, signed in May 1913. Japan entered into an alliance with England in the year 1902. In the Balkans, Macedonia had mixed population. In the Battle of Tannenberg, Russia suffered heavy losses. Clemenceau, as Prime Minister, represented France in Paris Peace Conference. Kerensky became Prime Minister, leading a new coalition of liberals and moderate socialists before Lenin established the Bolshevik government. Locarno Treaty was signed in the year 1925. Match the following. Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, Russia with Germany. Jingoism, England. Kemal Pasha, Turkey. Emden, Madras. Hall of Mirrors, Versailles. Objectives from second lesson. With whom of the following was the Lateran Treaty signed by Italy? Pope. With whose conquest did the Mexican civilization collapse? Herman Cortes. Who made Peru as part of their dominions? Spaniards. Which president of the USA pursued good neighbor policy towards Latin America? Roosevelt. Which part of the world disliked dollar imperialism? Latin America. Who was the brain behind the apartheid policy in South Africa? Verwoerd. Which quickened the process of liberation in South America? Napoleonic invasion. Name the president who made amendment to Monroe Doctrine to justify Americans' intervention in the affairs of Latin America. Theodore Roosevelt. Fill in the blanks. The founder of the Social Democratic Party was Ferdinand Lassalle. The Nazi Party's propaganda was led by Joseph Goebbels. The Vietnam Nationalist Party was formed in 1927. The secret state police in Nazi Germany was known as Gestapo. The Union of South Africa came into being in May 1910. The ANC leader Nelson Mandela was put behind the bars for 27 years. Aztecs were a military nation. Boers were also known as South African. Objectives from third lesson. When did the Japanese formally sign up their surrender? 2nd September 1945. Who initiated the formation of League of Nations? Woodrow Wilson. Where was the Japanese Navy defeated by the US Navy? Battle of Midway. Where did US drop its first atomic bomb? Hiroshima. Who were mainly persecuted by Hitler? Jews. Which Prime Minister of England who signed the Munich Pact with Germany? Chamberlain. When was the Charter of the UN signed? June 26, 1945. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? The Hague. Fill in the blanks. Hitler attacked Rhineland, which was a demilitarized zone. The alliance between Italy, Germany, and Japan is known as Rome-Berlin-Tokyo Axis. Roosevelt started the Lend-Lease program. Britain Prime Minister Chamberlain resigned in 1940. Saluting the bravery of the Royal Air Force, Churchill said that never was so much owed by so many to so few. Radar is a device used to find out the enemy aircraft from a distance. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights set forth fundamental human rights in 30 articles. After the World War II, Labour Party was voted into power in Great Britain. Match the following. Blitzkrieg, lightning strike. Royal Navy, Britain. Lend-Lease, Roosevelt. Volga, Stalingrad. Guadalcanal, Solomon Island. Objectives from 4th lesson. Who was the first director of Whampoa Military Academy? Chiang Kai-shek. Which American president followed the policy of containment of communism? Truman. When was People's Political Consultative Conference held in China? September 1949. The United States and European alliance formed NATO to resist any Soviet aggression in Europe. Who became the chairman of the PLO's Executive Committee in 1969? Yasser Arafat. When was North and South Vietnam united? 1976. Where was Arab League formed? Cairo. When was the Warsaw Pact dissolved? 1991. Fill in the blanks. Dr. Sun Yat-sen was known as the father of modern China. In 1918, the Society for the Study of Marxism was formed in Peking University. After the death of Dr. Sun Yat-sen, the leader of the Kuomintang Party was Chiang Kai-shek. CENTO Treaty is open to any Arab nation desiring peace and security in the region. The Treaty of Versailles provided for mandates in Turkish Arab Empire. Germany joined the NATO in 1955. Strasbourg was the headquarters of the Council of Europe. Maastricht Treaty, signed on February 7, 1992, created the European Union. Match the following. Dr. Sun Yat-sen, Kuomintang. Sigmund Rhee, South Korea. Anwar Sadat, Egypt. Ho Chi Minh, North Vietnam. Ngo Dinh Diem, South Vietnam. Objectives from 5th lesson. In which year was Sati abolished? 1829. What was the name of the Samaj founded by Dayananda Saraswati? Arya Samaj. Whose campaign and work led to the enactment of Widow Remarriage Reforms Act of 1856? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Whose voice was crashed gopher? Parsi movement. Who was the founder of Namdari movement? Baba Ram Singh. Who was Swami Shraddhananda, one who caused a split in the Arya Samaj? Who was the founder of Widow Remarriage Association? M.G. Ranade. Who was the author of the book Satyartha Prakash? Dayananda Saraswati. Fill in the blanks. Ramalinga Swamigal founded the Samarasa Veda Sanmarga Sangam. Satyashodak Samaj was launched by Jyotiba Phule. Tulamkir was written by Jyotiba Phule. Satyartha Prakash enumerates the positive principles of strict monotheism. Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. Singh Sabha was a forerunner of Akali movement. Oru Paisa Tamilan was started by Ayothi Dasar. Match the following. Ayavali, Swami Vaikunda Swamigal. Tiruvaruppa, Songs of Grace. Babu Dayal Das. Niramkari, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Widows Remarriage Reform Act. Devendranath, Adi Brahma Samaj. Now we can revise some interior objectives lesson by lesson. There were trusts in the USA and cartels in Germany. A trust is an industrial organization engaged in the production or distribution of any commodity. The term cartel refers to an association based upon a contractual agreement between enterprises in the same field of business. Cecil Rhodes, Imperialist Prime Minister of South Africa. Trench warfare. Trenches or ditches dug by troops enabled soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves. Each trench was dug in a type of zigzag. President Wilson laid down his 14 points, which were to be followed by the Allies. The revolutionary Tamil poet Bharatiyar cheerfully welcomed the revolution in Russia. Lenin was born in 1870 near the Middle Volga to educated parents. He was influenced by the ideas of Karl Marx. Lenin was arrested in 1895 and kept in Siberia. Lenin gained the support of a small majority Bolshevik known as Bolshevik. His opponents in minority were called as Menshevik. Pravda is a Russian word meaning truth. It was the official newspaper of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union from 1918 to 1991. Interior objectives from second lesson. The First World War shattered the global capitalist system based on European imperialism. As a result of this, fascism emerged in Italy and Germany. At the end of the World War I, America was financially in a sound position. The first huge crash occurred on 24th October 1929. England decided to leave the gold standard. Gold standard is a monetary system. Gold standard agreed to convert paper money into a fixed amount of gold. Fascism is a form of radical authoritarian ultranationalism. Decolonization is a process through which colonial powers transferred institutional and legal control over their colonies to the indigenous nationalist governments. Indo-Chinese got communist ideas from mainland China. Social Democratic Party was founded as the General German Workers' Association on 23rd May 1863 in Leipzig. Bismarck outlawed this party from 1878 to 1890. Social Democratic Party was the only surviving party from the Weimar period with a record of opposition to Hitler. Ho Chi Minh was born in Tonkin. In 1921, he became a founder member of the French Communist Party. 2 years later, he went to Moscow and learned revolutionary techniques there. In 1925, he founded the Revolutionary Youth Movement, and he was inspired by Mao Zedong. The Great Depression of 1929 had a disastrous impact on British trade and business. The descendants of original Dutch settlers of South Africa, also known as Afrikaners, they were called Boers. The language is Afrikaans. Apartheid, which means separateness, became the racial policy of the Nationalist Party in 1947. Racial discrimination is based on the belief that the political equality of white and black in South Africa would mean black rule. Verwoerd, who was the Prime Minister of South Africa from 1958 to 1966, was the brain behind the apartheid policy. The African National Congress, founded in 1912 and was banned, and its leader Nelson Mandela was put behind bars. In 1990, the ban on ANC was lifted and Mandela freed after 27 years. In the election held subsequently, the Africans were allowed to vote and ANC won the election and Mandela became the first black president of South Africa. The Imperial Conference was held in 1926. The Aztecs were a military nation. The American and French Revolution provided inspiration to Latin Americans. The Napoleonic invasion of Spain and Portugal in 1808 quickened the process of liberation struggle in South America. Interior objectives from third lesson. The Treaty of Versailles ending World War I was signed in June 1919. The League remained an ineffectual international body. And three dictators emerged in Europe: in Italy, Mussolini; in Germany, Hitler; and in Spain, Franco. Italy invaded Ethiopia in 1935 and Albania in 1939. In 1931, Japan invaded Manchuria, and in 1937, it invaded China and seized Beijing. In 1936, Hitler signed Rome-Berlin-Tokyo Axis. In 1938, Hitler invaded Austria and Czechoslovakia. In 1939, he invaded Czechoslovakia. Poland was also attacked. In Britain, Prime Minister Chamberlain resigned in 1940 and Winston Churchill became Prime Minister. Saluting the bravery of the Royal Air Force. Roosevelt started a program of Lend-Lease in March 1941. In August 1942, the Germans attacked Stalingrad. German war planners hoped to achieve that end with Fall Blue, Operation Blue. On June 28, 1942, operations began with significant German victories. Italy surrendered to the Allies in 1943. Mussolini was killed in April 1945 by Italian partitions. The Allied forces under the command of General Eisenhower invaded Normandy in France. Hitler committed suicide in April 1945. On December 1941, Japan attacked American naval installations in Pearl Harbor. The US Navy defeated the Japanese Navy in the Battle of Midway. Japan ultimately announced surrender on 15 August 1945 and formally signed 2 September 1945, bringing an end to World War II. The word Holocaust is used to describe the genocide of nearly 6 million Jews by the Germans during World War I. The Merchant of Venice clearly depicts the dislike and distrust of Jews among the people. The character of Shylock is a stereotype. The movie Fiddler on the Roof is about the anti-Jewish program in 19th century. The Charter of the United Nations was signed on June 26, 1945 by 51 nations. The United Nations has 193 member states. The United States, Britain, France, Russia and China are permanent members of the Security Council. The executive wing of the United Nations in the UN Secretariat. The World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, referred to as the Bretton Woods Twins, both established in 1945 after the Bretton Woods Conference in 1944, located in Washington, D.C. in the United States. The two main organs of the World Bank are the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and the International Development Agency, IBRD and IDA. The International Development Agency also lends money to governments for developmental activities. These loans are known as soft loans. The International Monetary Fund was primarily the brainchild of Harry Dexter White and John Maynard Keynes. The objectives of the IMF are to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment, and sustainable economic growth and reduce poverty around the world. In 1942, the report commonly known as the Beveridge Report was published in the United Kingdom. After the war, the Labour Party was voted into power in Britain. Interior objectives of fourth lesson. Dr. Sun Yat-sen, the father of modern China. In 1905, he founded in Tokyo the political party which in 1912 became the Kuomintang or the National People's Party. Mao Zedong was born in Henan in southeast China. Mao began his full-fledged political activities of Henan and emerged as a staunch communist. The Vancouver Military Academy was founded near Canton. Its first director was Chiang Kai-shek. On the staff in charge of political activities was Zhou Enlai. The leader of the Kuomintang was Chiang Kai-shek. The rivalry that developed after World War II between the US and the USSR and their respective allies created tension which is referred to as Cold War. The Secretary of State, George C. Marshall, advanced the idea of European self-help program to be financed by the United States. Marshall Plan funding ended in 1951. In Palestine, the ancient home of Jews, only a few thousand Jews were living in 1900. Some 15 million were scattered around Europe and North America. This is referred to as the diaspora. In 1896, Theodor Herzl, a Viennese journalist, published a pamphlet called The Jewish State, in which he called for the creation of a Jewish national home. Next year, in 1897, the World Zionist Organization was founded. Arab nationalism was growing in Syria and Iraq. In March 1945, the Arab League was formed in Cairo. Palestine Liberation Organization. It is an umbrella political organization representing the world's Palestinians, all Arabs and their descendants. The creation of the State of Israel in 1948. It came into prominence after the Arab-Israel War of June 1967. Yasser Arafat was its most prominent leader. In 1969, Yasser Arafat became chairman of the PLO's executive committee. Arafat was elected by the Central Council of the PLO as the first president of the State of Palestine on April 2, 1989. Perestroika refers to the program introduced by Mikhail Gorbachev in the later 1980s to restructure Soviet economic and political system. Glasnost was a policy of ideologically openness introduced by Mikhail Gorbachev along with Perestroika in the year 1980s. Yeltsin was first an ally of Gorbachev, however a mayor of Moscow. Yeltsin won great popularity as a champion of political and economic freedom. Yeltsin was elected president of Russia over Gorbachev's objections. Interior objectives from fifth lesson. Rajaram Mohan Rai was one of the earliest reformers influenced by the Western ideas to initiate reforms. His campaign played a key role in forcing the Governor General William Bentinck's program abolishing Sati in 1829. Rajaram Mohan Rai founded the Brahma Samaj in 1828. Devendranath's organization thereafter came to be known as Adi Brahma Samaj. Another outstanding reformer in Bengal was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The movement led by Vidyasagar resulted in the Widows Remarriage Reform Act of 1856. The Prarthana Samaj was founded by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang in the year 1867. Swami Dayananda Saraswati's book Satyartha Prakash. In 1893, Arya Samaj split over the question of doctrinal purity. Swami Shraddhananda, a charismatic figure after Dayananda, accused the group running the DAV schools of being too westernized and thereby ignoring the founder's ideology. Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission. Narendranath Datta, known as Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda became famous for his addresses on Hinduism at the 1893 World Congress of Religion in Chicago. The Theosophical Society was founded by Madame Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. Jyotiba Phule launched the Satyashodak Samaj in 1870. His work, Kulamgiri, is an important text that summarized many of his radical ideas. Ayangali was born in 1863 at Venganur in Thiruvananthapuram. Ayangali founded the Sadhu Jana Paripalana Sangam in the year 1907. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's movement was Aligarh movement. Aligarh Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental College was founded by him in 1875. Rost Goftar, the truth teller, was the main voice of the Parsi reform movement. Baba Dayal Das was the founder of the Niramkari movement. The Namtari movement founded by Baba Ram Singh. Ramalinga Adigalar, popularly known as Vallalar. He was born in Maruthu. His voluminous songs was compiled and published under the title Thiruvaruppa, Songs of Grace. Vaikunta Swamigal criticized the rule of the British and the rule of Raja of Travancore as the rule of white devils and the black devils respectively. Vaikunta Swamigal condemned the worship of idols. Vaikunta Swamigal founded Samatva Samajam. Pandit Ayodhya Dasar was a radical Tamil scholar. Now we can revise the timeline chart from all the 4 lessons. 1914 outbreak of World War I. 1917 Russian Revolution. 1918 end of the World War I. 1919 Treaty of Versailles. 1920 establishment of League of Nations. 1922 Mussolini's march on Rome. 1927 formation of Vietnam Nationalist Party. 1929 the Great Depression. 1933 Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany. 1935 Mussolini invaded Ethiopia. 1939 outbreak of World War II. 1940 Battle of Britain. 1941 Pearl Harbor incident. 1942 Battle of Stalingrad. 1945 end of World War II. 1945 formation of UNO. 1934 Mao's Long March. 1949 NATO. 1954 formation of SEATO. 1955 Warsaw Pact. 1956 Suez Canal crisis. Children, we revised book back objectives as well as the interior view objectives and timeline chart also. And I want to give you one small instruction. Help seekers must give first preference for objectives, match the following, timeline chart, caption, distinguish, and give reason and max. When you are selecting 2 mark and paragraph, the questions you have to give preferences for short and simple questions because you have to manage the time also. And now I am going to tell you, going to revise a few paragraphs. How do you present a paragraph? I tell you. The first lesson, first paragraph, discuss the main causes of the First World War. In this First World War causes, you have to mention all the side headings like European alliances, how the European countries were formed into 2 groups and how did they form, that you have to mention. And then you have to mention the side heading aggressive attitude of German Emperor, how this German Emperor Kaiser William II was very aggressive and assertive in nature, that you have to mention. And then the Moroccan problem is very very important, that you have to write. And the Balkan problem you should mention the first Balkan War, second Balkan War, and how these two Balkans war came to an end by the Treaty of London in the year 1912 and 1913, that everything you have to mention. And very important, that is immediate cause of the war. In this immediate cause of the war you have to mention the Francis Ferdinand was assassinated by Serbian dad, and what was the humiliating terms between Austria and Serbia. So these are all the main important points you have to mention in this First World causes of the First World War. The second paragraph highlight the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles relating to Germany. In this second paragraph, you are going to write point by point. First, you have to write the pay reparations, how Germany was supposed to pay the war amount. And second, you have to mention the how Germany was supposed to reduce their army. And third, you should write the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk with Russia. And then you have to write Alsace and Lorraine, how they were given this Alsace and Lorraine to France. And then some Russian territories were independent, like Finland, Lithuania, like that you have to mention. And Rhineland was a demilitarized zone, and northern Schleswig was given to Denmark. So Poland was also recreated with a corridor to the Baltic containing the German port of Danzig. So all those things must be written, must be mentioned in this second paragraph. And the third one, explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. In this, you have to write about the provisional government, failure of provisional government under the leadership of Lenin, outcome of the revolution, and global influence of the Russian Revolution. All the points must be mentioned in this paragraph. And the fourth one, estimate the work done by the League of Nations, pointing out the reasons for its failure. Actually, in this, we have to write about the League of Nations formation and activities, as well as and its failure. And the activities, in the sense, you have to mention that the main important three problems: the Sweden and Finland problem, and Poland and Germany in Upper Silesia, Greece and Bulgaria problem, how these problems were solved by the League of Nations. And then we have to write about the causes of the failure. In this one, we have to write the League of Nations became a very much the center of European diplomacy and lack of military power, and then the collective security could not be applied in actual practice. So these were all the points you have to be mentioned in this paragraph. Then we can go to second lesson. The second lesson, first paragraph, trace the circumstances that led to the rise of Hitler in Germany. In this paragraph, you have to mention the evaluation of German fascism, that is very very important, and you have to mention Nazi state of Hitler and Nazi policy towards Jews and the Treaty of Versailles. All these points must be mentioned in this paragraph. And then attempt a narrative account of how the process of decolonization happened in India during the interwar period. In this one, you have to mention the diarchy process in India and India in the days of Great Depression, and you have to mention the bilateral treaty between British and other countries, and you have to mention impact of depression on Indian agriculture, and you have to mention this Government of Act 1935, that is very very important. And the third one, describe the rise and growth of nationalist politics in South Africa. In this, you have to write the only one paragraph, the nationalist politics in South Africa. So now we can see the paragraph from third lesson. Attempt an essay on rise and fall of Adolf Hitler. In this paragraph, you have to write rise and fall of Adolf Hitler. That is, rise of Adolf Hitler as well as the end of Adolf Hitler. Unlike the effects of the World War II. In this paragraph, you have to write all the three important side headings, that is new geopolitical power alignment and nuclear proliferations and international agencies. These are the three important side headings you have to mention for this effects of the World War II. And the third one, assess the structure and the activities of the UNO. For this paragraph, you have to write the formation of UNO as well as the administrative structure as well as the activities of the UNO. Then we can go to fourth lesson. In this fourth lesson, Mm, estimate the role of Mao Zedong in making China a communist country. In this paragraph, you have to write Mao as organizer of peasants that you have to mention, and Mao's long march you have to write, and then communist victory. All the three side headings you have to write. That is very very important. And attempt an essay on the Arab-Israeli wars of 1967 to 1973. In this paragraph, you have to write Arab-Israeli War 1967 and Israel's offensive you should mention, and UN intervention, and then Arab-Israeli War 1973. All the side headings you have to write, and narrate the history of transformations of Council of Europe into an European Union. In this paragraph, you have to mention all the Council of Europe, European Coal and Steel Community, European Economic Community, and Single European Act and European Union. All these things you should mention for this paragraph. We can go to fifth lesson. In this fifth lesson, we are going to see, that means a very important things, that is evaluate the contributions of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and Swami Vivekananda to regenerate Indian society. In this, you have to mention all the you have to mention about Ramakrishna mission as well as Swami Vivekananda. And the fourth paragraph, write an essay on the role played by the 19th century reformers towards the cause of women. We have to write about Pratana Samaj, Brahma Samaj, and all the reform movements. Little by little you have to mention for this paragraph. Okay, children, thank you. And then before I conclude this session, I want to give you some important. That means how to present the paper. When you start to write for objectives, you have to write serial number, options, and answer. When you are writing 2 marks, you have to give side heading and write point by point, and you must write year and date and name of the personality correctly if it is necessary. And even you can highlight the points by underlining the word, or underlining the year, underlining the personality name. And for timeline chart, you have to draw the scale for the year which is given in the question paper. For example, if they ask you to draw the scale, draw the timeline chart for the year 1920 to 1945, you have to draw the scale for 1920 to 1945. Within this year, you have to mention any 5 events as well as the year. And when you write paragraph, you have to write mind map, introduction, conclusion. In the paragraph, you must give side heading also. If you are very good, or if you are very expert in drawing, if you have drawing skill, you may even draw the India outline map, and you can mention the places and everything. And in some question papers, instead of captions, they may give one 8-mark question. And here I am going to give you some few important 8-mark questions. These are not only important, you may give first preferences to all these questions. You please mention, point out these questions. Discuss the main causes of the First World War. Highlight the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles relating to Germany. Trace the circumstances that led to the rise of Hitler in Germany. Attempt an essay on the rise and fall of Adolf Hitler. Analyze the effects of the World War II. Estimate the role of Mao Zedong in making China a communist country. Write an essay on the role played by the 19th century reformers towards the cause of women. And I'm going to give you few important captions also. These are not only important. I just ask you to give preference, first preference for this. Captions are imperialism, Balkan War, anti-colonial struggles in Indochina, Ho Chi Minh, Battle of Stalingrad, General Assembly and Security Council, Cold War, Non-Alignment Movement, Ramalinga Adigal, Adigar Movement, and Yogan Movement. And in history, there are 2 maps, but there is no choice. So you have to go through both the maps thoroughly. In world map, you have to mark some European countries, or African or Asian countries, even American countries also. In India outline map, you have to mark the places of Great Revolt 1957 and nationalist movement. I hope that you could enjoy with this session. Thank you, children. All the best for your exam. All the best.